All right, guys. So let me go ahead and spill some tea. I created this real quick, this threads bot responder. So what it allows you to do, guys, it allows you to post on threads right away. So all you got to do is use a Chrome extension. So I created this Chrome extension real quick. You click on it and you just type like stay at home mom, for example, right? And basically you just click submit, and what it's going to do, it's going to find automatically a post and respond to that post right away. Sounds like a great initiative. Boom, enter, and there we go, guys. Uh, as you can see, it posted a thread automatically. That wasn't me typing, that was the bot. So very quick. You don't want to abuse it too much. You want to do it in a mix with your digital faceless marketing strategies, other strategies that I talk about on Thread Stack Power Bundle. But the way it works is, so you have a webhook, and this webhook is set up like this. And of course, you could set up the authentication header for header off to kind of protect it. So this way it doesn't end up getting like random people don't end up connecting to it other than you. But for now, I just used regular no off. I'm only using it whenever needed. So for now, it's just fine for testing. But if you want to make sure that you use this thing in a way where it's protected, you definitely want to use a token, credential token. So this is how it works, but for now, just making it with no credentials for now, just to kind of quickly show to. So it's running the product on a production URL like this. And effectively, what you do, you download and you install this Chrome extension. So this Chrome extension runs on VS, so in a VS Code. So the way it works is you have all of those files, right? So what you do, you include your N8N actual domain. So this way you can bypass the course policy. So effectively, Chrome blocks you unless you explicitly allow the following fully qualified domain names. And of course, you gotta have the bunch of other files. You could get all those files as part of my pill of freedom. I'll hook you up, guys, for free. So this way you have this bot and everything working for you. This is for my Thread Stack subscribers. But if you're not a subscriber, you could also get it for free. All you gotta do is go to my buy link and I'll upload it and I'll include it over here as by that link. So if I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna add a link over here, and I'm gonna call it threads bots responder, right? So over here, I'm just gonna add the Gumroad URL. So I'm just gonna quickly create a product real quick right in front of you guys. How quickly I'm creating products, guys. It's just a matter of new product right here, and I'm just gonna call it threads bots responder. So there we go, guys. The price is $0. It's for you. Uh, Now, if you guys want encouragement and support, definitely my monthly subscription is $14.99. So this way you could be set up with those tools right away and do this in the right balance. You definitely don't want to get banned by Meta if you do this in an incorrect way. You got to do it in a way of using creativity and other techniques. So I'm gonna quickly show you how to use creativity in my Thread Stack Digital Power Bundle. But you want to combine this together with everything else that you're doing. So ThreadsBots responder. So I'm gonna create a description. Imagine it, so I could say struggling on threads. No worries. No worries. I got you with this cool, cool threads bots responder that can respond automatically to the recent threads. Don't abuse it. Only use it in combination with your other marketing, with your other marketing strategies described in Threads, Threads Stack Digital Power Bundle. So this is what you guys are looking at. So in Threads Stack Power Bundle, I have a guide called Threads Bots. So this is this bot, and so as part of the bundle, as part of the bundle, I have a guide called Threads Bots. In this guide, you will learn how to craft bots with ease. This is one of those bots that can help you. It can help you get some leads. And of course, guys, we could easily expand it further and make it a lot easier to do. So for now, I'm just gonna quickly kind of include this in if you want it, if you want this bot, if you want this automation blueprint, and this, all you got to do is hit I want this button. And of course, guys, if you want to support my feudal mission of helping bougie boss moms for 40, then simply feel free to buy some coffee in my buy link. So basically, guys, this is what it is. This is really easy, guys. But if you get stuck and need some encouragement and support, you most certainly can get that encouragement and support. So right now, I'm just gonna say you'll get the automation blueprint for Threads bots responder. You'll get access to the pill of freedom that includes automation, blueprint, and a quick tutorial for how to get around it and quickly set it up for yourself. It also includes Chrome extension that you can use right away to quickly fly across threads like an eagle. Okay, so this is kind of this is what it is. And now I'm gonna just go to Notion and I'll create the pill of freedom, guys, for you real quick. And that pill of freedom is gonna be, I'm gonna call it right here. I'm gonna call it threads bots responder or bougie boss uh, for moms who are tired of engaging. We're tired of engaging. Right. So this is the idea, guys. I'm gonna put right. So I'm gonna put like okay, this is low. Uh this is low priority for you guys, but you could use it. HPS bio.link / Fatal Fusion System. This is my bio link, digital uh digital mom or any AI or bougie. I'm just gonna say bougie mom. So now I'm gonna say the difficult level is easy. Program type. This is offered in my feudal incubator, and this is part of the Freedom Fusion track feudal incubator. It's part of the thread stack power bundle. This is a blue pill, where you learn how to build it, and of course, if you want to execute it, that would be the red pill, which is um, it would be separate. For now, the desire is to improve, to get more leads without hard work, hard to engage with multiple people on threads, on threads, among people on threads. So Freedom Fusion path URL, and I'm gonna include the URL for this purpose to help moms save time. Product, I'm gonna call it Threads Bots Responder. That's what it is. And of course, guys, Buy Me Coffee is available there in a buy link. I'm gonna kind of include that a bit later. So, and so I'm gonna quickly package the automation blueprint. Will be here. Automation will be here. And for now, I'm just gonna share this publish, publish, and I'm gonna make that available for you guys. So there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Go here. Go here. Go here to get the pill of freedom. To get the pill of freedom and jump into FUD if you have any questions. Any questions or additional encouragement and support. So subscription is only $14.99 for Thread Stack digital power bundle. Subs get priority support, priority encouragement and support, and access to Threads boss guide and other premium guides. Threads boss is where you learn how to craft bots. So this is it, and this is really easy, guys, for you to kind of get it. So definitely get that. This is just a quick way to show to you how I'm constructing those pills of freedom in real time. And of course, this is very easy to do, guys, but for some of you who are not sure how to build your own digital products, it feels like a rocket science. It doesn't have to feel like a rocket science, guys. It could be really easy. It could be responder. Okay. Okay. Respond. Now I'm gonna include, just gonna include this, right? Save. And there we go. So threads bots responder. We'll put that a little bit further right under thread stack. Gonna include that. Okay, boom, there we go. So yeah, I like to use buy link. Buy link is pretty cool. I think we got that running. So I'm just gonna quickly include this into the sales page as well. And to just kind of spice it up a little bit, guys. To do and to get the coffee. I'm gonna quickly jump into other guide and kind of see what I have over here for my coffee. Okay, so let me take a pill of freedom real quick and take a picture of that like this, pill of freedom. And there we go. There we go. Now I'm just gonna include this. And I think we almost ready to go, guys. Imagine benefit. Imagine how much time you will save. No, please use on your own, at your own risk. At your own risk. I would use that only in your burner account, not the main one, not the main one. Okay, guys. So if you have multiple threads accounts, just in case if you get banned by Meta, I would use another burner account, not your official one. So this way you have a greater chance of still getting that engagement and not run into trouble when like if you overdo it. There's the best way to avoid getting banned is to do it in context of your life cycle. Like spend a little bit of time doing it um, throughout maybe a few times per day, but use different keywords. Don't use the same keywords. And later on, you could adjust the bot respectively to include bunch of other threads. So what I mean by that is right now, this is what the AI chatbot is doing. It says your Twitter post manager, your job is to reply to a user's tweet based on their content return reply only. We could supercharge this with other data, other threads that you already have, so it responds back with your threads as well, guys. So it's expandable and easy to control. Okay, guys, so there's really easy stuff to do. What it does, you configure a webhook, and that webhook is set up literally, guys, on the internet. It's listening. You just got to set up like a Cloudflare tunnel, and you run you literally run this on oh, Docker. So Docker container environment. So you're running right here, quick Docker, and you install the latest N8N automation um, system. So the system is running. There's a bunch of things running on this computer, right? And ideally, when you're using it, you just want to activate and deactivate it. You don't have to, but I'm running it for now. I'm activating it, but I'm going to deactivate it when I'm done. So typically I'll turn it off, right? So, and that's how it works, guys. And I have a bunch of other bots that allows you to post on instant social real quick. So this way you literally take control of your activities faster. And you could do this on Pinterest as well. I'll show you how to do it on Pinterest and across other socials, and how to create stories, how to create quotes. All that stuff is already there, guys, in my previous uh, workshops, in my previous Pills of Freedom that I constructed. This Pill of Freedom I'm going to finalize. And this is what's called Feudal Incubator. This is where you get access to. If you want to join the coaching program and get access to this, it's $295 a month, but you'll get access to uh, my Freedom Fusion system, which includes book appointment system, email nurturing campaigns, AI automation blueprints of all sorts. You get multiple access to multiple pills of freedom. So this way you don't have to pay for the stand store. This way you also get connected with feudal lords, bunch of bougie boss mobs who you could serve and get paid on a monthly basis, monthly retainer and commission, providing that you do exactly as I tell you to. If you don't do it, if you don't prove it to me that you're doing things correctly, then it's going to be very hard for you to get connected with feudal lords and get the right type of people who you can work with to serve their needs. So remember, guys, if you want to make money, you need to learn how to develop skills. This is one of the skills. This is Freedom Fusion Track. It's a unique feudal incubator that helps moms over 40 develop hybrid skills that are not taught in college and learn how to build your own AI and automation agency, and also learn how to craft those bots. So it's a very unique program, coaching program. If you guys want to join, you're more than welcome to. But if you feel like it's overwhelming or too much, you don't really want to do this, you don't want to go through this track for this feudal incubator. I have other programs as well that are not so intense, not so AI automation intensive, like Freedom Fusion Digital. This is where you learn digital faceless marketing skills, uh, but also a little bit of everything. So not so much AI automation like Freedom Fusion Track, but Freedom Fusion Digital is where you literally learn how to do like thread stacking to the highest level possible. So this way you could get the leads, because in just few months, few years, automation agency will no longer going to be needed. There's going to be a lot of demand for kind of, you know, people who are business minded, people who understand marketing, who understand psychology, who understand AI and automation altogether. So you really need hybrid skills. And what Freedom Fusion Digital is precisely that kind of feudal incubator. It gives you those hybrid skills that are not taught in college, a little bit of everything. So this way you get ahead of the game quickly. You pop those different pills of freedom, you get access to multiple pills, you get your own Freedom Fusion system, and of course, you get connected with feudal lords. You get to serve luxury feudal lords and make that monthly retainer plus commission as an extra gravy from every product that you sell. So this is very good feudal incubator. There's a lot of tea here, guys. Each pill is a lot of information for you to learn. And I have other feudal incubators as well, like Freedom Fusion Content. This is explicitly designed for selling on TikTok Shop, and also where you don't even need to sell, as long as you create the fire looking content based on the specification of what feudal lord needs and wants. then you will get paid for that content or for the set of pieces of content, depending on the structure of the feudal lord. But it's also powerful feudal incubator as well, guys. So with all that being stated, I'm hoping that you're gonna start utilizing those bots. This was really simple, guys. With this bot is very easy. I'm gonna go ahead and create another automation that will allow you to also use take control of your quotes pages. Now, there's a one system that I was thinking of designing, FUD workshop video aggregator. So this system will grab your screenshots from your from your FUD workshops. It will compile them. It will compile them into a storytelling video with audio in there and um, subtitles with royalty free music plus it will so that will be like the first, so this aggregator will do this automatically, plus it will automatically let everyone know about your workshops. So when you start spilling tea and doing workshops, this bot will automatically let everybody know about your workshops across multiple socials using Threads, bots, socials. So basically, that's basically what I was thinking as the next part to kind of quickly give you all the ammunition to anytime you spill the tea, people know that you're spilling tea and it's not going into the void where nobody can find you. So kind of remember that it's not hard, guys. You just need to understand that this is something you want to be doing. Um, Otherwise, if you're spilling tea and you're not doing anything like this, guys, nobody knows about your workshops. Nobody knows about that you even exist. So this is why I never like doing only one thing, guys. I do multiple things. I do automations, content, all that stuff, guys. So all you gotta do, you kind of have to remember that as you build your content, you need to get very good in doing things using multiple skills. So right now I was like literally troubleshooting this expansion. Noticed that it was like it was getting some errors, some API errors. I quickly fixed them. So so it does require a little bit of low code and no code kind of expertise. And of course, guys, um, when you respond, you have to respond strategically with on to people fast. And of course, I have other that I could show you how to do this. This one I just happened to build myself real quick and do this. But if you guys want to learn more and build other kind of extensions, then jump in into my feudal incubator. If you don't have money for 200 to pay $295 a month, then get access to thread stack. It's only $14.99. And of course, guys, I'll give you a good discount as well if you're my subscriber into stack. So this was really simple, guys, but you could get to the point of making very good money, guys, with digital faceless marketing using my skills, thread stacking skills. If you don't do this, guys, you're just gonna be like literally working extra harder. So if I go here once again, if I was to turn that on, right, and all you gotta do is just turn it on. And by the way, like if you were to get all those bots, uh, if you're my feudal incubator subscribe like member and you happen to be part of the Freedom Fusion track, then you would get access to those automation blueprints, specifically your entire Docker container with everything in it, so you could start using it right away for your digital business marketing journey. And of course, guys, to once again, if you want to see this, basically I just turn it back on, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and let's say I put uh, digital faceless marketing. Let's say I included that and I wanted to do this. And once again, guys, it's gonna find that. I finally any tips or advice and a hashtag. Boom. Right? Very easy, right? Very easy, not overwhelming. super easy, and then you just turn off the workflow, right? You're done for the day, you're good to go. Will you make money from doing just this? No, absolutely not, guys. You have to mix this. Will it save you time? Absolutely, it will save you incredible amount of time, guys. If you don't do this, you just struggle. And like, just imagine how long it will take you to type that. And what I'll show you is how to create like copies of those bots, uh, and use, like, as I mentioned, your own library of threads, some of those repetitive threads. Like whenever you do workshops, right? You have those threads, right? When you do workshops where you have threads, correct? That talk about all sorts of things that have a lot of kind of thoughts in there. Uh, but if you're not showing those threads to people, then like it's gonna be horrible, because then let's say you created like 1,000 threads and everybody already forgot about them. Why? Because you don't really have any content distribution strategy. You don't have a bot that you could just talk to, that you could just open up Telegram chatbot and say, oh, you know what? Let's build the story of a fox, and it's just going to build it right there. Or you could say, you know what? Um, let everyone know about my workshop, my latest workshop, right? And then it would grab your data from your FUD. So as you create those workshops on FUD, if you become that FUD expert, then it will just grab that information automatically, and boom, it will be uploading this across socials. Of course, guys, to fully experience the digital faceless marketing the way you want it, and those are the workshops that I'm talking about. Those are the workshops when you're spilling tea, nobody knows about. Look, I had 0 attendees. That's why I had to come up with a solution to figure out a way for how to solve that problem for myself. And then as soon as I solved it, I was like, okay, let me do it for all the bougie boss mobs who want to actually take it to the next level. So, guys, remember that. Join my workshop as well. Don't sleep on this, guys. Study my threads. Remember, digital faceless marketing is, you know, it's very, it's no different than working out. No different than working out physically. Okay, with digital faceless marketing, you just work out mentally, but it's still no different, no different than going to the gym. Okay, so if you want to work out faster, if you want to see the results faster, then get Threadstack. It's only $14.99, guys. And take a look at all those other bots that I'm showing you over here on Threads, and learn what they are and how to build them, how to build stories, all that kind of stuff. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. I'll see you next time. Take care.